Kaizer Chiefs have confirmed the signing of Durban-born midfielder Ethan Chislett after his exit from League One side Port Vale. Chislett played a major role in the club's promotion to the English third tier last season and has been one of the standout players in English Football League over the past couple of seasons. The 26-year-old spent his youth career at Guildford Saints, Southampton FC, Aldershot Town, and England before his professional breakthrough with AFC Wimbledon in 2020 and racked up over 200 appearances in the EFL over the past 5 seasons. With 42 goals and 16 assists to his name, the technically gifted midfielder earned interest from Scottish Premiership and English Championship, but looked towards a move to South Africa to enhance his chances to breaking into the senior national team Bafana Bafana. Kaizer Chiefs have snapped up the midfielder on a 3-year deal after arriving in the country last week to begin his life with the Soweto Giants. And they said, "We are pleased to announce the signing of the 26-year-old Ethan Chislett, an attacking midfielder known for his creative abilities." His father, Donovan, plied his trade in the PSL with Manning Rangers, making his family no secret to the local game. Despite this would be his first stint in South African football. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts down below. Are you happy with the signing of Ethan Chislett, a midfielder who plays as a number 10, known for his free kicks and also his technical abilities? Kaizer Chiefs are really meaning business in this transfer window. This is the third signing that they've announced today, and all of them are players who were not playing in the PSL last season. So it seems like Kaizer Chiefs scout are broadening their search when it comes to player acquisitions, with the club looking abroad to sign players that fits the profile of the team that they are trying to build. This is an exciting time to be an Amakhosi fan. So let me hear your thoughts down below. Are you happy? Are you satisfied with these 3 signings so far? Let me hear your thoughts down below. See you next time.